Full recipe. Karaage, aka Japanese fried chicken. Karaage is a delicious Japanese fried chicken dish known for its crispy exterior and flavorful marinade. Here's a full recipe for karaage. Ingredients. For the chicken: 1. 1.5 pounds, 700 grams, boneless, skin on chicken thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces. 2. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 3. 2 tablespoons sake, Japanese rice wine. 4. 1 tablespoon grated ginger. 5. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 6. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. 7. 1 cup potato starch or cornstarch, for coating. 8. Vegetable oil, for frying. For the dipping sauce: 1. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 2. 2 tablespoons rice vinegar. 3. 1 teaspoon sugar. 4. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. 5. 1 green onion, finely chopped, for garnish. Instructions. 1. Marinating the chicken. 1. In a bowl, combine soy sauce, sake, grated ginger, minced garlic, and sesame oil to create the marinade. 2. Add the chicken pieces to the marinade, ensuring they are well coated. 3. Cover the bowl and let the chicken marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, longer for more flavor. 2. Coating the chicken. 1. Remove the marinated chicken from the refrigerator. 2. Coat each piece of chicken with potato starch or cornstarch, ensuring an even coating. 3. Frying the karaage. 1. Heat vegetable oil in a deep fryer or a heavy-bottomed pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. 2. Carefully place the coated chicken pieces into the hot oil, avoiding overcrowding the pot. 3. Fry the chicken until golden brown and crispy, typically for about 5-7 minutes, depending on the size of the pieces. 4. Use a slotted spoon to transfer the fried chicken to a plate lined with paper towels to absorb excess oil. 4. Making the dipping sauce. 1. In a small bowl, mix soy sauce, rice vinegar, sugar, and sesame oil to create the dipping sauce. 2. Adjust the ingredients to your taste preference. 5. Serving. 1. Arrange the crispy karaage on a serving plate. 2. Garnish with chopped green onions. 3. Serve the karaage hot with the dipping sauce on the side. Enjoy your homemade karaage. This Japanese fried chicken is perfect as a snack, appetizer, or part of a delicious meal.